my animal poem. And the first animal we're going to be is a doggy. So these are our little doggy's ears, and we're going to go bow wow goes the dog. Can you do that with me? Bow wow goes the dog. Now we're going to be a cat with our whiskers. Meow goes the cat. Can you do that with me? Meow goes the cat. And now a piggy. Oink, 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 oink goes the pig. And then tiny little ears, and we're going to go eek goes the rat. Can you jump up with me? Eek goes the rat. Then we're going to have big wings, and we're going to be an owl. And we're going to go twit, twit, woo goes the owl. Should we try that together? Twit, twit, woo goes the owl. Caw, caw, that's a crow. Caw, caw goes the crow. And then quack, quack, it's a duck. Quack, 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 quack goes the duck. And what does the cuckoo do? Do you know? Cuckoo, cuckoo. Look what Caroline is going to show you. Can you see all my ducks? And my chickens? And if we look over here, you can see some huts. And if we go inside, I wonder what we will see. Shall we have a look? There's 3 duck's eggs. Wow. So Farmer Fifi is going to feed the ducks and the chickens with some wheat. They like cornmeal too. Everywhere that Farmer Fifi goes, who do you think follows him, do you suppose?
Now I'm ready to feed them.
Look how they're enjoying the wheat and the cornmeal. Yum, yum.
I heard that in England there's a farmer called Mr. MacDonald.
That's right. And we've got a very famous song called Old MacDonald Had a Farm.